Hello, welcome to the Enterprise AI Minute, your daily journey into the real world AI future. Former CTO of Oculus, John Carmack, is quoted as saying, "The promise of VR is to make the world you wanted." Now, this sounds like an escape from reality for many people, and in a way it is. However, there is this slight annoyance of having to be tethered to some sort of VR device, this physical constraint, if you will. So, what does this really have to do with AI? Well, let's back up a moment. For quite a few years, scientists and technologists have been working on BCIs, or brain computer interfaces. Basically, it's a way for you to control your interactions with something digital with your mind. However, the struggle for quite some time has been interpreting the electrical signals from your brain into digital actions that truly match your intent. So, this is where artificial intelligence comes into play. AI models are now capable of extraordinary computations. Recently, Meta AI introduced its AI research supercluster. This is a supercomputer that's capable of learning from trillions of examples. We're talking it can work across hundreds of different languages and seamlessly analyze text, images, and video all together, and then develop new augmented reality tools. And so, for a sense of scale here, this AI supercluster can train models with more than 1 trillion parameters on data sets as large as an exabyte. Now, this is equivalent to 36,000 years of high quality video. That's mind blowing. But this large scale AI computation is necessary to fuel the experience in the metaverse. Data points will be scattered across vast decentralized worlds to which are attached your ever expanding virtual profile. Picture this: you walk into a virtual store called the Bearded Experience, and your view of that virtual store will be quite different and personalized versus the avatar standing right next to you. Further, once you cross the threshold of the store, you have now opted in to having your metadata captured and used to curate this bespoke experience. Now, introduce the fact that you're controlling your avatar with your mind, and maybe your body, you're wearing haptic clothing to feel your virtual environment. This now means your body and mind are really IoT devices sending data signals to the metaverse. So, we're having this explosion of data. AI is going to be needed as the interpretation layer to augment your experience inside the metaverse. So, gotta ask this. If you haven't taken AI seriously, this is your wake-up call. So, where are you headed with AI? How are you going to manage this data? And what were you going to do with this data to understand it and gain insights, to curate an experience that goes beyond our physical and digital now into this virtual realm? And remember now, the future of AI depends on what we do now. So stay real, stay you. Cheers.